everyone. My name is Nikita Agarwal and welcome to my channel Apostle Mathematics. And today we are going to discuss about the trigonometric table for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. This table is really very important. Students, you should have these values on your hands because they are really very important. Without these values, it is impossible to solve trigonometry. So first of all, I am going to discuss one short trick with you, and this short trick is really very good. So you can see one table on the board. So in this there is 6t ratios: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. You all know about these 6t ratios. Now we have to find the value for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we can write these angles on the increasing order on horizontal axis and t ratios on the vertical column. So first of all, we are going to find out the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree by using a short trick. This trick is really very important. So I'm going to write, we are started with 0 degree, so I'm going to write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 0 is for 0 degree, this one is for 30 degree and this 2 is for 45 degree and this 3 is for 60 degree and this 4 is for 90 degree. Now in our short trick we write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Last term is 4. So we divide the overall equation by 4. So 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and finally 4 by 4. So here our answer comes out to be, when we divide 0 by any number, what is the answer? It's 0 only. And 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 only, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Now we are going to take the square root of these, square root of the above equation. So square root of 0, square root of 1 by 4 and square root of half, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 1. So what is the value of square root of 0? It's 0 only. What is the value of square root of 1 by 4? It is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2. So square root of 1 is 1 and 2 is under root 2. What is the value of square root of 3 by 4? So square root of 3 is root 3 and 4 is 2 and square root of 1 is 1. So in this case we are getting the value of sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So what is the value of sine 0 degree? It's 0. What is the value of sine 30? It's half. What is the value of cos 45? It is 1 by root 2. What is the value of sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. And what is the value of sine 90? It is 1. So I am going to revise this trick again. First of all, we have to write 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And then we are going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as a numbers. And then we have to divide the complete equation by 4. And after that, when we divide 0 by 4, we get 0. When we divide 1 by 4, it is 1 by 4 only. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 3 by 4 and 1. And after that we are going to take the square root of this equation, that is 0, half, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now this table is totally simple. We get the value of sine theta, and what is cos theta? Cos theta is just the reverse of sine theta. So in the case of cos theta, we have to just reverse the values of sine theta. So what is the value of now sine 0 degree? It's the value of sine 90 because we have to reverse this complete equation. Clear? What is the value of cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2. What is the value of sine 40, cos 45? It is same because we have to reverse this equation. What is the value of cos 30? cos 60, it is half. And what is the value of sin 90? It is 0. In this case, we are doing nothing, but we just have to reverse the value of sin theta. And now I am going to discuss about the values of tan theta. It is clear about the values of cos theta. In cos theta, we have to do nothing. We just have to reverse the value of sin theta. Now I am going to discuss about the values of tan theta. So what is the values of tan theta? What we can write tan theta as? Sin theta upon cos theta. Clear? So what is the value of sin tan 0 degree? The value of tan 0 degree is 0 divided by 1 by the table, because we know the value of sin 0 degree is 0 and cos 0 degree is 1. So what is the value of this? 0 divided by 1. So 0 divided by 1 is 0 only. And what is the value of tan 30? So tan 30 value of tan 30 is half divided by root 3 by 2. So half divided by root 3 by 2. So in this case, we can cancel out 2 by 2 and then answer left is 1 by root 3. What is the value of tan 45 degree? So we know that the value of sin 45 and cos 45, value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So I am going to cancel 1 by 1 and root 2 by root 2. So our answer is 1 only. So value of tan 45 is 1. So now I am going to substitute the value in the box. So value of tan 0 degree is 0 and value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 and value of tan 45 is 1. Now we are going to discuss the value of tan 60 and tan 90. So what is the value of tan 60? Root 3 by 2 divided by half. Value of tan 60 is sin 60 divided by cos 60. So value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and value of cos 60 is half. So root 3 by 2 divided by half. So answer is root 3 only. So we can write in the case of tan 60 is root 3. Now value of tan 90. Tan 90, what is the value of tan 90? Sin 90 divided by cos 90, that is 1 divided by 0. So 1 is divided by 0, then if we divide 0 by anything, then our answer is not defined. So what we can write? Not defined here, not defined. Now it is clear. The main values are of sin, cos and tan. And after that we know that what is cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So reciprocal of 0 is again 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. 1 divided by 0. Reciprocal of 0, 1 upon 0, that is not defined. So we can write here as ND, not defined. And reciprocal of 1 upon root 3, it's root 3 only. Reciprocal of 1, it's 1 only. Reciprocal of root 3, it is 1 by root 3. And now the last value, reciprocal of not defined. Reciprocal of not defined is 0 only. Now we have to calculate the value of sec theta. So what is the value of sec theta? So value of sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1. In the case of 30 degree, it's 2 by root 3. In the case of 45 degree, it is root 2. In the case of 60 degree, it is 2 only. Or in the case of 90 degree, its value is going to be reciprocal of 0. So 1 upon 0 is not defined. Now I am going to discuss the value of cosec theta. So in the case of cosec theta, we have to reciprocal the sin theta. So 1 upon 0 is again not defined. And what is the value of cos 30 degrees. So value of cos 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. So that is 2 only. And what is the value of cosec 45? That is the reciprocal of sin 45. That is root 2. And what is the value of cosec 60? That is reciprocal of sin 60. That is 2 by root 3. And what is the value of sin 90? That is reciprocal of cosec 90, that is reciprocal of 90 degrees. So it's 1 only. So now this table is like easy, I think, according to me. Just you have to calculate the values of sin theta, and then you are going to fill the complete table. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.